Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video just explaining a few things with regards to if having jailbreak when using the Unc0ver Jailbreak or possibly even older jailbreaks, you're finding that certain apps are crashing on you, and this isn't related to banking apps or the normal kind of gaming apps that you'd expect to get jailbreak detection. So for example, I had somebody ask me about Audible, and from the description symptoms of what they were having. So if, for example, when you click on a particular app, it loads a splash screen and it just hangs on that splash screen for quite a while before it then crashes. Usually this means that there is something actually running in the background. So you have some sort of a jailbreak tweak, a bypass tweak that is actually trying to process in the background. And that a lot of times will actually affect apps that don't actually have jailbreak detection even enabled. So in order to rectify this, what you want to do is come into Cydia, and whichever app you're having a problem with, run this particular method before you try anything else. So you want to come in and you want to search for this particular tweak. So it is Choicey. It's a free tweak, I believe. It's on the Big Boss repo. So if you don't have that, I'll add a link on the screen now. And what you want to do is you want to come across, search for Choicey and install this. What this does is effectively it disables any of your tweaks running in the background. So this, as it says, is not a jailbreak detection bypass. It's actually doing the opposite. So it's actually stopping any apps from actually using jailbreak detection bypass tweaks in the background. So for example, if I just right click, if I hold on this particular icon, as you can see, it gives me this bottom option where I can launch without tweaks. Now that's if I don't already have it enabled in the settings. So once you've installed that, what you can do is come across to your settings, go into tweaks, and you'll have your Choicey tweak just there. And what you can do is obviously you can choose global tweak settings, you can choose the springboard, all these kind of things. But essentially what you want to do is come into the applications, find whichever application you're actually having the problem with. So if I come back down to, what was the name of that? So sub count. So if I come down to sub count, for example, if I was having an issue with this, I would then click this on, and that would disable any tweaks running in the background. And hopefully that should actually solve the issue for a lot of apps that don't actually have jailbreak detection running, but you're finding that there's problems with those particular apps crashing. Usually if an app hangs on the splash screen for quite a while, then it means that something is actually running in the background. It doesn't necessarily mean that you've actually enabled something yourself, but it means something is actually running there. So obviously you can either go into the settings and try it that way. Obviously if you wanted to temporarily test it, you could just hold on it and then obviously use this option, and then that will then test to see whether it is actually being affected or not. If you find that you can go in fine when you do that particular option, that method, then what you can do is go into the settings and disable it from there, and then hopefully everything should then be working fine for you again.